everyone, Greeny Man here. We're here with the Ducato Maxi, and it's a nice big van. I'm looking at making it into a camper at some point, so I've purchased a set of locks which go inside on the back door. When the doors come together, this hole through there, that pin locks the two doors together so you can't open them. And it goes there. Had my finger gun there, and one half goes there. So we're going to fit those now. So we're going to start by taking the 3 bolts out there and putting one piece on, and then we'll repeat the same on the other side. Take those 3 bolts and put the other piece on. I'll come back to you. Right then, so as I said, I unbolted them 3, which I think are Torx, that type. Star-shaped ones, Torx T40s, and those ones. I put them on loose at first, just to see. Take a step back here, just to see that they did meet, which they do. So when that shuts like that, put the bolt through. Snap it shut. And then if I try and open the door, that's as far as it goes. Now you can padlock through there as well if you wanted to, but I think that's cool. And it's also got a park position for that in the hole there, so you don't lose it. So with that out, the door opens fine. So I'm pleased with that. So that door's secure from the inside. Something I will point out while I'm here, when I was looking at door security, for some reason I looked at that bit. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very well worn. So off the site I ordered a new one. I think it was €11, and the lock I think was 19 or something like that, which is cool. And so I'm going to change that as well, and I think that's the same, and that's a Torque 40 again I think. So I'm going to whiz that off and put the new one on.